I want you to imagine laying in your bed on your laptop and typing CAPTCHA and getting paid. In this video, I will show you the easiest ways to earn money by typing CAPTCHA without investment. This is a brand new method that we never discussed earlier on this channel, but it pays pretty well. It's absolutely free. You will not have to sell anything on those freelancing websites or film any videos. It's a lot easier. Follow all the steps from this video to make this work for you. You must be patient and watch every second of this video, and stay tuned until the end to maximize your results. After that, you will need to copy our method exactly and start to make money online. And yes, do not skip any part of this video and watch till the end, because I am going to unveil few bonus websites in the end so that you can maximize your earning. But before we start, welcome to my channel, where I teach you the latest making money online tips and tricks. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel with the notification bell on, so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. Also, don't forget to leave a comment below on what country you are in right now, because this way, I will be able to create videos specifically for your country. So drop your country's name in the comments down below. Now let's get started. Now go over to this website, which is called 2captcha.com. This is probably one of the most popular websites online, where you can earn real cash for typing in simple CAPTCHAs. For those who don't know what CAPTCHAs are, there are numerous types of images that cannot be recognized automatically. Those images can be solved or typed in manually by real humans, and this website actually pays people for doing exactly that. Here is an example of a typical CAPTCHA. You can see some letters here. They either look blurry or distorted in most cases, so artificial intelligence cannot recognize them automatically. Once the CAPTCHA has been solved correctly, you will get credited with a certain amount of money. You may wonder how much you can actually make by typing and solving those CAPTCHAs. If we scroll down, we can see that users get paid on average 26 cents per 1,000 CAPTCHAs, which doesn't appear to be much money, but you have to consider the simplicity of this task. This website allows you to easily earn extra money on the internet. It's not big money, but you can be sure that you will receive each cent you've made, and you will not be scammed. To start making money on this site, you only need your computer and internet connection, and you can begin by clicking on the Start Work button right here. You can set your own work schedule. You can solve CAPTCHA whenever you like. Once you earn your first money, you can ask for a payout and choose from various payout options, including PayPal or WebMoney. To get started, come up here and click on the button that says Sign Up. Once you click on that, you will land on this page. This is a straightforward registration process. All you have to do is enter your email address password, re-enter your password, check this terms and condition box, and click on this Continue button. Once you register, you will also see a page that looks like this. So make sure that you choose I am a worker over here. Then click on Next. After that, you will have access to your dashboard, which will look like this. From here, you can track your balance. You can see your balance of what you earned today. Now come up here and click where it says Start Work. After that, you will land on this training page. Now click on this Start button, then come down here and enter this number that you see inside the box. After that, click on the Enter button. Then it will verify your entry and show you a message whether you entered the correct CAPTCHA or not. If you solve it correctly, you will get paid for that. Now all you have to do is keep repeating this process. It's as simple as that. You can probably do hundreds of these within an hour if you can type fast. By doing this, you can make money with this website. Now I will show you how you can withdraw your earned money. For that, go back over to the dashboard and click on the Payout button right here. Once you click on this button, you will land on this page. Here you can choose your payment method and can withdraw your money. Now I will show you some bonus websites to maximize your result. Our first bonus website is called Colodabablo.com. Colodabablo has been working since 2007. instantly withdraw earned money to different payment systems, or send it to another account. Many of the people who have worked for them have reported that they are receiving their payments on schedule. They may pay up to $1 more for every 1,000 CAPTCHAs. Colodabablo utilizes a rating system, the greater the degree of accuracy, so that you will need to put in a little more effort initially. But with time, you'll be able to land a highly profitable position on the platform. The next website is called solvecaptcha.com. It works pretty much the same as the previous website, but with this website, you will make a bit more money by typing in CAPTCHAs. Now you may be wondering how much you will earn at the end of the day. It depends on your work ethic and how fast you can type in words. If you want to start making money by solving CAPTCHAs on this website, simply click on the Create an Account button right here. After that, simply fill in your basic information and you are ready for work. Our next website is called megatypers.com. Megatypers is one of the most popular online labor websites. Megatypers will pay you using various options, including PayPal, debit cards, bank checks, WebMoney, Perfect Money, Payza, and Western Union. This is a workforce management company that provides data entry services to private and governmental institutions. Their main goal is to support their clients' digitization requirements by converting scanned papers into editable digital documents. Their services also include image-to-text recognition, transcription from voice to text, and assisting the visually impaired to overcome the internet's visual challenges. They are currently looking for typers from around the globe. All you need to work with them is a computer with an internet connection and the ability to type at least 10 words per minute. Their schedules are flexible. You can work at any hour that you want. The quicker you order, the more typer credits you earn, which can be exchanged for a dollar currency. Megatypers is fantastic for mothers who stay at home, parents who need a second job, students, and people between jobs. How much you earn depends on the amount of work that you do. Their top typers make between $100 typer credits and $250 typer credits each month. Their payment rates start from 45 cents typer credits for each 1,000-word image typed and go as high as up to $1.5 typer credits for every 1,000 words typed. Typer credits can be automatically exchanged for a dollar currency. You may earn anywhere from $100 to $200 per month if you work hard enough. Test all of the websites and analyze some of the elements, such as who pays genuinely on time, where you are more comfortable working, and where you can earn more money in a shorter period. You can test several freelancing platforms, such as freelancer.com, Upwork, and others. They allow you to look for CAPTCHA entry employment. This type of employment is advertised regularly by many companies on that site. That's it for today's video. Give us a like and subscribe to my channel to stay updated. Also hit the bell icon to make sure you definitely won't miss any of my future videos.